So if you own an SME,
In 2025 and you're looking to scale, you know that perhaps one of the biggest problems is hiring new people. And when you manage to hire these new people, the second biggest problem is training them. Now, training for a founder can be extremely time consuming and energy consuming. You need to hop on one-on-one calls with them. And even if you outsource fulfillment to these people that you train, you will always have in the back of your mind that you could always train them better. Now, an amazing solution to employee training that has emerged during these last years where the e-learning space has exponentially grown is by utilizing the power of a so-called LMS or a learning management system. Now, what an LMS really is just a software platform, right? An online destination which is designed to create, manage, and deliver online courses and training programs that can be utilized to train your employees. Now, there are many different learning management systems that small businesses and institutions have been using throughout the years. Many of them are paid, some of them are free. And in this video right here, we're going to be diving deeper into a completely free learning management system that you can use. And I was able to create and host one of my training programs up there completely for free in just 15 minutes. So the software I'm referring to is called ProProfs Training Maker, and it has completely changed the scene of learning management systems. So for the sake of this video, again, I've converted the latest online course that I created, which was around Canva, and managed to host it as my training program inside ProProfs. So here we are inside ProProfs Training Maker in the instructor view, and let me show you how easy it is to edit a course and create a training program in, again, this software. So obviously I hover my mouse above my course and I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to create and edit this course. So the instructor interface is very, very straightforward, right? Once we click on this button right here in the left side of the screen, you will see that we have all of these parameters to tweak regarding the cover image, the title, and subtitle of the course. So again, you can change the cover image of the course, you can change the brightness here, a title, a subtitle, a description, right? All that stuff. Now, I want you to keep in mind throughout this video that an LMS is not tailored and weighted towards marketing and the salesy sides of courses, but mostly into having like a solid and concrete foundation into training your employees and just delivering the best education experience. And this is what we aimed with this course right here. So you can see, once I'm done with everything right here, the bottom text, the descriptions, all that stuff. So once we're done with the header of the cover, you will see that we also have options to add course objectives, to add the information about the instructor, frequently asked questions. In this case, it just added a course description, and in frequently asked questions, we can just edit them by hovering your mouse above them. And if you click Save and Next, you will see that you will be redirected into the curriculum of the course. Now, in this case, my course was mostly video-based. Again, I shot videos, and this was my course. But up here, you can see that you can change like the titles of the videos. You can change the media types, so you can have videos, you can have PDF files, downloadable files. You can also add text, so you can literally change the layout of each module. You can have, again, modules and different lessons inside the module. So for example, the first module of my course was setting goals and maximizing results with this course. And you will see that it has some lessons behind this module, right? And I added multiple other like modules in this course. So creating a brand logo, designing documents, all that stuff. Now you will see that every page, which is what ProProfs Training Maker calls the modules, has layouts, and you can change the layouts. You can have media on the left, media on the right, like media on the bottom. You can add, again, quizzes, surveys, flashcards, resources, and all of this is created and hosted online, so you do not need to download anything. Again, everything is hosted online, right? So like moving on, after we've done with uploading all of the content of this course and perhaps adding some copy and adding images and text and pretty much anything else that we wanted to add, like surveys, flashcards, which we can track, by the way, right? We can either move with done to save our course or go to settings and just tweak more parameters of your course. So again, right here, you can see all of the parameters that we can tweak inside our training program. You can change, for example, the number of attempts that each user can take in this course. You can have a logo of the course, right? You can change the security. So for example, if people can download the lessons, if they can download the lessons. And check this out, you can also set a price for the course, right? At this time, this course is completely for free, right? But if you create a seller account, which is very easy, right? And by the way, it has, again, low listing fees. So it is completely free to host your course here and your training here, right? You will see that you can collect 90% of the revenue generated from your courses that you sell here and get paid on a monthly basis. So you can obviously also sell your training programs. You do not need to have them completely for free. I'm just saying that this is an awesome option if you want to generate some extra revenue with your training program. You can change the theme. You can add integrations, so to Mailchimp, to have a custom email sequence behind all of this stuff. And there are also some advanced settings. For example, if you're gonna be allowing people to skip quizzes before moving to next modules, and all that stuff. There are many parameters that you can tweak here. And again, inside of the modules and inside of the lessons, you can change the backgrounds, you can change the background colors, you can add logos and all that stuff, right? So once we click save on our course, just like that, you will see that the course will be saved. And I can actually go to preview to check out the course either as an instructor or as a learner. Now, in this case, we do not need to sign up and track our statistics as learners. So let's preview the course that we created as instructors. So you can see that you can preview it in your laptop, in your desktop, as a tablet, as a mobile phone. So this is how it looks in mobile, for example. This is how it looks on an iPad. This is how it looks on a MacBook. And once you click start, you can see that, again, I added a description and some frequently asked questions. Nothing very crazy here. And once you click start, you immediately get enrolled in the course and you start consuming the content. And again, if I don't like something, I can go ahead and click on edit, and I will immediately be brought back to the editor menu of this course, in which, again, you can add stuff, right? Quizzes, surveys, flashcards, resources, all that stuff. So if you enjoyed this demonstration and you find value in this LMS and you think that it can provide value to people that you want to train, right, and you want to host your course there and you're training there, you can check it out and you can access it from the description of this video right here. So thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.